Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use Zillow as a real estate agent. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google and type Zillow.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Zillow if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the buy, rent, we have the sell, home loans, find agent, and manage rentals, and all of these things. Now, now let's see how you can actually go and use Zillow as a real estate agent. So to use Zillow as a real estate agent, you can go and of course register to Zillow by clicking join in the top right corner of Zillow, and then enter your email address, password, and everything, and check the I'm a landlord or industry professional box. After that, you need to catch out in the right corner of the page and then click profile. Start building your profile by adding your photos, videos, and filling out your about me section. Then showcase your listing, so add your brokerage emails to agent profile to gain exposure on your listing across Zillow and Trilla. Use the easy to use agent inbox to keep your lead pimple on track, gain instant search, insights, etc. Leverage your team if you're part of an agent team. Create a team profile with collective reviews and past sales to help your agent brand shine. Connect with home shoppers on Zillow by responding promptly to inquiries and providing valuable information. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. As guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.